Okay, we'll let this dry now with the fan on. We'll come back and see how nice and clean it is or isn't. One way or another, it's going to look just as good as that. Right now it does. So maybe it'll dry like that. We'll see. Let's go for some more. You gotta get all this shit off now. It's very slippery if you leave it on. Next time they get it wet, it'll get so slippery. It'll start throwing out. Okay. Lots of grease in here. And in here, in the kitchen, we've attached a piece of plywood with some screws. We're just gonna paint that after we fill around that pipe with confill, and these little pipes too with confill. So we're gonna go get some confill going right now. And if I take this fan out of here for a minute, I'll show you. See, we got our wood in there, we got our confill in there around the pipes. It's even got fiber tape because it's done right? We do it right around here. So yeah, we got it all sealed up. And in the bathroom, just around the old corner. And we left the scraps in here because basically we're being rushed to try to finish this in time, but I got it all pre-filled. And this part's got the fiber tape on it. And over on this side, see, you don't see this shit. You see these drawers, eh? I couldn't get them out, eh? So imagine me putting my head in here, filling up everything I could. And now at the very end, I see there is still a gap in there, but we are going to fill that tomorrow once this is dry, because it's too wet right now to just keep piling it in there. But once that's dry and set up, we can pull it against it and it'll stick. And then we'll have this one actually fucking done, right? Sealed too. We'll clean that up, take a couple minutes, but there you go. Hell of a lot of fun today. Ah, jeez. Woo. Getting kind of scary.